liwanag.
Umuulan dito, besh. Yeah. Tapos sabay tayo kain. Sabay tayo, babe. Ay!
You enjoyed the folklore show? Did you try to blow the horn?
Yeah. Saan? Ganito mga bahay.
Yung mga video mo, wala.
Go!
Yung mga video mo yung wala. Wala na. Sige, send ko din.
So here to the right is one of the different areas where they brew their own beer, where you can have the typical sausages. The biggest joke.
11 seconds.
But in case that people really want to go to Melanie,
Wow. Ito na ba yung Toblerone? Charot.
entering now this beautiful valley. To the right-hand side, to Engelberg. Engelberg, the way we would pronounce it, means the mountain of the angels. Home. Today, you don't take the ammunition anymore. It's a little area where you
nagaganon pa na
can
talaga
practice,
siya.
and you can be
Video
also
muna
a
to,
part in Italy.
Mag-aura ka lang.
That's it. We say we have an Air Force,
Can you open
and we have a field army. We're called the militia. Wear it, but don't lose it. Because when you lose it, then you have to walk down.
Ang ganda!
Oh, yeah, that's no fun. Yeah, that's crazy. So please don't lose it. We will get
A little.
on a cable car where 8 people together are waiting for you to take all varieties of pictures. Then you, after it having taken, you will have free time to go into the ice cave, which is very spectacular because you are 15 meters under the surface of the ice. Can you imagine that? It's always something fantastic. Really at a fantastic time here. That you could go up. In this lake, they also have trouts, so you will see this afternoon some fishermen.
Ay, ang galing mo talaga, babe.
And that is very, very famous for the skiers. Altitude 1,000 meters here, and we go up to 3,000. Remember, in the cable car, don't get off halfway. And please try to fill up the cable cars with 8 and 8 and 8. World Championships here. So here we are. We only open the front door that you all get.
Hi! Ang ganda dito! Experience life. So, this will be my first snow experience. Is this your first snow experience too?
Yes!
Wow! Amazing career. Wow! Mapapa-thank you Lord ka talaga. Kasi dito mo ma-experience na mas ma-realize or ang tawag doon, ma-feel
Feel mo na ano ka?
ma-appreciate
Okay.
yung ganda ng nature. Diba? Take to be.
Video.
Wow! Grabe, thank you Lord. Ay, ganito lang.
Ang ganda doon sa ano, Ben, no? Kita yung ilalim, no?
Oo, yung ano, Jenko. Ano ko? Wait lang.
Picture mo nga ako dito, ma.
Experience natin to!
Ayun na, gaganda na yung background.
Ayan na. Maririnig nyo sila ha, yan sila.
Ay, gogi, parang wala akong baka.
Wait lang. March.
Ay, sorry.
Wait lang. You are... Makakalayo pa pala.
Bakit ano? Portrait tsaka point kinemera. Ay, photo ba?
Ang ganda! Wow!
Grabe.
Merong mga tao. Yung walang tao.
Ang ganda. Pupunasan mo ang konting sa likod. Uy, ang ganda ng weather.
May nagpupuna sa likod mo.
Gusto ko hinihingahan niya yun. Kaya pala nagpa-voice din. Tapos pinupunasan namin. Puro hininga pa na dyan. Tingin.
Amazing Grace.
Kulang ka sa kape. Para siyang yung binibigay namin sa...
Grabe.
Pasok ka, bibidyan ka tapos pagpasok. Bibidyan ka tapos pagpasok, Bi.
Careful.
Paano?
Nakaharap mo, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Wait lang, Mi.
Nag-i-emote siya, Mi. Ay, sorry. Nag-video pala siya.
First time.
This is ganda mo, Mi. Effect.
Wow.
Pasal na lang, may ano.
Ganun yung mabak mo. Harap. Yan, yan. Yay! 6. Ayan.
Akin ang lapit. Yan na, umaura ka. Chururut barurut. Chururut, chururut barurut.
May asin, may asin.
Chururut.
Ganito.
Wait lang, 6 pa lang, ma. Pagawin natin 15 para malapatan mo.
Harap mo, harap mo. Dito ka.
Chururut. Chururut. Eme. Di huwag kang lumapit, te. Naka times 3.
Thank you so much.
Ay, sorry.
Andito kami ngayon sa Mount Titlis. Sobrang lamig. Thank you so much, Prue. Sobrang ganda. Grabe. Hindi na ma-justify ng video yung ganda ng place kasi sabi siya, thank you Lord. Ang ganda, no? Dito mo mas ma-appreciate yung beauty and yung nature talaga. Amazing. Thank you Lord. Whew.
Smile.
photos dito. Thank you, ma'am.
Perfect. Mua ka mo, mua.
Yan, tingin. Yay! Yan. Dito kami sa view deck ng Mount Tetlas. Sobrang ganda dito, grabe. Ilang minutes?
6. Okay na to, mga 15 lang siguro.
About 20 seconds.
Si Cherry pa. Ma'am, si Cherry.
Sino ka dyan, bro? Busy sa mundo din. Happy ay
Ilang seconds din?
14.
About 20. Ah, dun na tayo. Thank you, Ben.
ID mo.
Uy,
ID mo kaya? Bakit? Wala naman ako logo.
One times to, no?
galing mo talaga, Alme.
Ay, tama ka na kanina ka pa.
For the ano yan.
Charay. Yung ganda mo, Ilik. Ba't ako nabibigil?
Thank you, Alme.
Oh, tingin ka sa kabila. Dito.
Likot-likot kasi niyan lagi.
Yan. Oh, tingin dito
Kulit
sa
ka,
akin.
ah.
Smile. Oh, pakita mo kung sino ka. Ay, yung pinakamasaya ka na. Hoy!
Ang ganda!
Ay, hindi ko kaya.
Oh my gosh!
Hindi, mamaga na.
Joke
Pero
kami.
bigla, no? Charing.
Ay, mas okay dito kasi hindi na ano.
Dahan-dahan lang. 17, 18, 19, 20. Grabe, no? Isipin mo nag-exist yung ganitong place sa mundo.
That's what I'm saying. Don't just take photos. Ano yung sa Tagalog, namnamin.
Yan, hinanam na habang nagvi-video.
Did you like the food last night? It's what?
Uy, grabe. Ang ganda.
Oh,
Parang ganito yung
galing.
dinaanan natin kanina.
Kayo, ano kayo? Kukunan ko kayo sa group. Compress.
Dahil very good siya, na perfect niya, may ice cream siya. Happy, oy, 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 Pero nung isang araw, umiyak ka, nakatulog ka na sa iyak mo, ha?